property as an automatic search from the MLS. I immediately look at the first picture and I get excited. The goal here is to take a look at this property because the first thing I see is this absolutely gorgeous kitchen. For this price, this tells me that the 1% rule needs to be met because more than likely it probably does meet the 1% rule, which begs the question, why is this property so inexpensive if just the kitchen looks like this? I mean, just look at that quality. The next thing I notice is the fact that it's a 4-bed, 2-bath property. Means 4 bedrooms is a big deal when it comes to Baltimore City properties. And since it's 4-bed, more than likely it's going to have a higher rental income. The one thing to consider is after we look at all those positives, it's back on the market. Not that it's a red flag, but definitely something to consider. Why is it back on the market? I go ahead, I select and open it up. Again, we see the property information here. I scroll down, and let's take a look at these pictures. Absolutely divine, right? Open space, recessed lighting all the way through. I would imagine those are laminate vinyl planks, LVP, backsplash, interesting fridge, stainless steel. You see a couple dings in it. White appliance, white cabinets, the sink, the toilet, even the basement is finished. I would imagine that this bathroom is in the basement. Bathroom upstairs. Gorgeous property, right? Let's take a look at something fun. I'll bring over here some information that I already pulled using the Zillow Rental Manager website. The rent Zestimate is $12.94, which does meet that 1% rule. So before we do anything else, we know if the 1% rule is met, more than likely it's not going to have a big rehab. Therefore, if we wanted to purchase with a down payment, a conventional method, since it's rent ready, this property more than likely would cash flow. Now, this is an important factor why we don't look at the pictures first. Let's take a look at the actual area. I jump on Google Street and immediately it brings me here. I zoom in and see 2207. Well, this is 2209. This is 2211, which tells me this is the property here. Now, more than likely, because it's 2019, I would imagine this view looks a little bit different, looks a little bit nicer because of the pictures we just saw. But notice, right next door, on the opposite side, we have a board up, a vacant property. And if I start spinning around here, let's take a look. Directly in front of our view, 1, 2, 3, 4, it goes on. Look at this block. Trash in the gutter. I mean, completely disrespecting this street here. So without knowing anything else, location matters. Yes, the inside of the property might be overwhelmingly beautiful, but let's take a look at the outside surrounding, and that neighborhood itself shows a little bit different than the actual property itself.